time has come for change, from a distribution manager to a wide-eyed adventurer. Click here to subscribe. Vaya con Dios, muchachos. Guys, triple the pounds. Bom dia.
Buenas.
Good day. I'll be here waiting. I'll be here waiting, waiting. Hello. Hello, well I did find the place, and it's just like spaghetti western kind of thing, isn't it? No tarmac. I'm expecting Clint Eastwood to come walking out of them doors there with his hat on, his sombrero and his cigar out of his mouth. And his poncho, you know, have his poncho on, won't he? And then he's going to have a duel with somebody in the middle of the square here. And you're going to have that tune. Ooh, wah, wah, wah. Oh God, I'm so funny at times. Right, so this is the square, very nice, very difficult to get into this place. These places aren't manned anymore, so everything was done by emails, text messages, so it was quite hard to figure everything out, which is alright, isn't it? But, you know, that's what it's called. Next to El Rocco Azul. And it actually is, I think it's quite nice. I think it's quite nice. Should we have a look in? I shut the door, everything's on a key code, so you get the number for that. And then you've got to get in, shut that massive door. There's a little unmanned reception here. So I could just pretend I'm the receptionist when people come in, couldn't I? I'll just go I'll be a receptionist saying, I'll just say, yeah, you need to give us €10 for just for being here, and people will probably do it. I'll make some money. So it's got a fridge with some water and stuff, Coca-Cola, some cans of pop. Don't know what all that stuff is. All the guests must be approved by the cat. Haven't seen the cat yet. First aid box there. Yeah, looks nice, doesn't it? There's a little camera up there. Hello, camera. They're probably going to come kick us out, but then we go through here, yeah. Oh, that's very nice, isn't it? Very nice. I wonder if I could wash my bike with that. I wouldn't mind washing my bike, it's covered in sand. But I don't need to do that. Yeah. Very nice. I don't think there's anybody here. I bet I'm the only one here. Oh no, that's something like me there. No, nobody there. Keys in the doors. I guess I've got the whole place to myself. So, shall we have a party? Shall we have a party? It's just nobody here, just me and this whole hacienda, high chaparral, everything. Oh, the bedroom, yeah. I'll show you the room. So, there's the room. So, a lot of people smoke in Spain, so these rooms, you know, smells like of smoke. But it's alright. Oh, it's got a little kitchen area. That's nice, isn't it? Oh, that's really it's handy. I've got some cheese and I've got cheese and tomatoes. What's up there? It's a little loft for very small people, I guess. Anyway, it's very nice. It's very nice. I'm very blessed. It's just amazing. Look, see what's out the back window. There's another stuff with sandy roads. I don't know. The sandy roads might have something to do with it being on a nature or near a nature park. That's why it might be like that. So they might not be allowed to build any roads. And that's possible that this is accommodation. Usually because it's off season, I'm guessing that this place would be full of people go and have a look at the nature park and the animals and the trees. I call them the upside down trees because it's all upside down, the trees. Yeah. It's another story. So I'm guessing that's what usually happens with a place like this. So there you go, that's me day now. I'm going to get a shower, have a bite to eat, and go nightclubbing and just say all the local pubs and discos. Bye.